To further demonstrate the noise reduction measures implemented in our entire unit, let's start with the compressor compartment. The panels of the compressor compartment are covered with a multi-layer composite soundproofing material. The outermost layer is a wavy foam, followed by a 2 mm thick, high-density leather layer. And the innermost layer is a 15 mm sponge. This combination of high, medium, and low-density sponge effectively blocks high, medium, and low-frequency noise from the compressor. This is the front panel, and here is the back panel. The side panels are also equipped with corresponding sponge layers. Let's take a closer look at the side panels, which are also covered with multiple layers of soundproofing material. This means that all the sheet metal surrounding the compressor compartment is lined with these multi-layer soundproofing materials. As we saw earlier, the entire compressor compartment is similarly covered with these multi-layer materials, consisting of a wavy foam layer, a high-density leather layer, and a low-density sponge layer. You can see that the entire compressor compartment is thoroughly wrapped with thick soundproofing layers, which are highly effective in preventing compressor noise from escaping. Additionally, our compressor itself is wrapped in several layers of soundproofing material. We will disassemble it shortly to provide a more detailed demonstration.